Presenting my greatest invention, the flintlock.
Steve!
Nerd!
Flintlock wood!
I can't believe I've never shown you my trophy room, Sam.
Ooh, nice.
This is my Schnobel prize.
Cool.
My Schmulitzer prize.
Ah.
And this one, well, you know this one. I got it at last year's science fair.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, I mean, you didn't win the science fair.
Well, sure I did. Don't you remember? It's where we first met.
Oh, I remember meeting you, but I'm the one who won.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
There was a winner.
Yes.
There was a winner.
I was the winner.
The winner's in the room.
Lots of winning.
There's a winner in the room.
By me.
Well, why don't we just see who's right?
Welcome, students, to this year's Cannery High Science Fair. I want to wish you all good luck. But hey, who are we kidding? My son Gil is gonna win.
I won't let you down, Mr. Mayor, Dad, Principal, sir.
No one likes a suck-up, son.
No, they don't.
Judging will commence at the end of the week. So, who's ready to science?
Science!
Woo, science! Bring it on!
Boo! What has science ever given us?
I'm gonna win! I'm gonna win!
Sounds a bit reverby in here.
Oh, yeah! Science!
New girl? New girl thinks she can come to my school and out-nerd me? Behold! The Flint Lockwood Enviro Rocket, fueled entirely by unwanted leftovers. Sounds like someone needs more congealed creamed corn. I think we got a winner here. Thank you, Mayor Principal Shelbourne. I want to accept this science fair award for... You!
Just flew through a cumulonimbus cloud. I've been studying their effects on precipitation percentages all day. How was it?
Cloudy.
I knew it! Is that an organic thrust enviro rocket fueled by unwanted leftovers?
Good eye! The ham slime coalesces with the crusty bits of
To
sardine
form a completely efficient
and environmentally friendly energy source. Exactly. Hi, I'm Flint Lockwood.
Sam Sparks.
Sounds like you're into science too.
Yeah, I'm especially into weather. Oh, speaking of which, looks like I'm out of wind.
And I'm out of fuel. we have so much in common. It's true.
That's so weird.
much. I think we're both about to plummet, though.
Oh.
Whew, we are totally going to be friends.
Whoa. I don't really do the friendship thing.
What? But I thought...
Nope. Now, excuse me, I have some work to do if I'm going to win that science fair.
What? Well, I hate to break it to you, but I'm going to win that science fair. I was born to science.
Oh, wow. Did that hurt?
A lot, actually. Besides, weather isn't really science per se.
What?
It's kind of like a pastime, like duck counting or witchcraft or
Witchcraft?
maintaining an ant farm.
Of all the... It is called meteorology! As if your stupid invention is gonna save the world.
You know what? I'm glad you don't do the friendship thing, because I don't do it either.
Oh, well, that's fine.
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 Fine by me.
That is so fine.
Fine over here.
Fine.
Could you argue somewhere else?
Fine! Dad, can I talk to you about something? It's about a girl.
Oh, well, oh, girl, yes. Well, son, when a little fish meets another little fish, well, they swim around each other, you know, and they say, I like this fish. So they just, life happens and, you know, time goes by and what? More fish.
What are you talking about?
I don't know.
Class, I want your full attention.
Lift, right. Lift pick, right pick. Lift pick, right pick, right pick.
Beat this! The Flint Lockwood External Thought Bubbler. Each bubble contains one of my genius thoughts. Prepare to be blown away. My bum is super itchy. Why doesn't she want to be my friend? I hope she doesn't notice my itchy bum. It's a prototype. I'm a failure.
Allow me to present my project, Earth's most explosive phenomenon, the volcano.
Oh, get out your French fries. We got some baking soda and vinegar over here. So impressed.
Actually, it's molten lava, you know, from the center of the Earth.
Burn! Bring it! Come on, mascots, pick yourselves up. You gotta want it more. Nobody's winning originals with that attitude.
Oh, that Sparks girl thinks she's so smart. Well, let's see if she can top my Flint Lockwood wind-powered sound machine.
Not bad if you're into lame. Check out my Sam Sparks sound-powered wind machine.
What's that? I can't hear you over my award-winning science project.
The only award you're winning is for losing so badly.
What?
What?
Can't hear you.
What?
What?
What? What are you saying?
Pardon? Meatballs!
Hold on, angry dude! You are our only hope! You're both disqualified from this science fair unless you fix this!
Yeah, unless you fix this.
Point's been made.
It has? Okay.
Point's been made. Thank you.
This is pretty bad. I guess we should, you know, work together and try to fix it.
I thought you didn't want to be friends.
Well,
Hey, Dad, this is that girl I was telling you about. Bye, Dad! Look, if we're going to work together, I need to know. Why don't you like me?
It's not you, it's me. It's just my family moves a lot. And every time I go to a new place and I meet a new friend, we end up leaving and then I have to say goodbye again.
You can write. Just email. You don't even know him, honey. He's the mover.
Well, what if we agree that if you have to move from Swallow Falls, I'll invent the Flint Lockwood memory eraser, and it'll wipe out any memory of our friendship. That way, you won't have anything to miss.
You can do that?
Yeah, for a friend. So, what do you say? Friends?
Friends. By the way, now that we're not enemies, your wind-powered sound machine was kinda cool.
And your sound-powered wind thingy wasn't half bad either.
That's it!
Of course!
It's such an obvious plan!
I'll bet we're thinking the exact same thing! Pack your bags for Funky Town, Twisty Pants! Cause I'm challenging you to a dance duel! Eat science! You call that a twirl? Check this out!
We did it!
We did it!
Wait, why are you dressed like that?
You know, the plan.
You mean the plan where we use the fractured reflective surface of this giant orbiting sphere to redirect the sun's energy to heat up the cool airstream at the core of the tornado and reverse its powerful flow?
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
Yeah.
Okay, so you weren't just having a dance-off with a tornado.
No.
Based on what we've just seen, I believe there is no doubt who should win this year's science fair.
Woohoo! We won! We won! We are number one!
my son Gil.
What?
For his work in sardine dipping sauces. Dippity dip, num num num, butterscotch and squid in my tum.
Couldn't have done it without you, Mr. Mayor Dad, sir.
No one likes a suck up, son.
No, they don't.
Hey, what about us?
Yeah, we saved the town.
You destroyed the town! Plus, you work together. That's cheating.
Please.
Please, Bluey. Please. Oh, look. How can you resist that face?
Oh, fine. Here, it's for whatever you want to make it for.
Huh, I guess neither of us won.
What do you mean? I clearly won.
What? But
And you did too. Mayor Principal Shelbourne said that award could be used for whatever we wanted. So I'm making it our official Friendship Award.
we won! We won! We're number one!
Actually, Sam, these are typically used for number 2.
Ew, you can have it. Good morning, Cannery High! Sam Sparks here with your daily dose of cheer.
Go Sardiners! What you gonna do? Eat 'em up! Eat 'em up! Choo choo choo! Sardiners!
Sardines?
She doesn't like sardines.
Don't worry, Sam. It's not that bad.
I just want to be the school's #1 reporter. What does liking gross fish have to do with that?
As the producer of Cannery Corner, I've never been more embarrassed. It looks like you don't like sardines.
I don't like sardines, Gil. They're disgusting.
Listen, Sparks! Don't make me get Mayor Principal Dad involved. If you want to keep your job, you better learn to like sardines.
You know student reporter is a volunteer position, right?
Dad!
Okay, let's do this thing. I can do this. Oh, come on, Sparks. Me to the tough stuff. Let's go. Sam Sparks here. This year's student fashion show is all about sardines. Of course it is. And here's baby Brent sporting the latest spring headgear.
Yeah, actually, it's a sardine brero, bro. Offers great UV protection. It's a great source of protein. You want a taste? Come on.
No, I don't want that.
You take a
Brent,
little taste.
get away. Stop. Why does the camera always freeze on my face like that?
It's still not that bad.
Would Sam Sparks please come to the principal's office?
Oh, you're in trouble.
Okay, it's actually much worse.
My son Gil says you don't like sardines.
It's true. She's a sardine hater.
Hey, okay, let it go, Gil. Little lady, if you're going to be the face of Homeroom Report, you can't be making faces like this, or especially not like this.
But it's just that sardines are so...
Incredible, I know. Apology accepted. Now, to prove you're up to the task, I have a major cafeteria-related news story to break. Get ready for sardine-flavored cheese. And you, yes, you, get to be the first one to eat it live on TV.
Sam Sparks here. Want to know all about the hot new treat to hit the cafeteria?
I sure do.
It's sardine-flavored cheese. Yummers.
It's like a live fish in your mouth swimming towards your taste buds. Eat it. Do it. Eat it. Fill your mouth with it. Eat it!
I can't do it.
You'll never do volunteer reporting in this school again if you don't eat that fish cheese.
She did it! This one's mine, people! I'll save you!
There you go, little buddy. You're in a better place now.
Sam Sparks, you're fired.
What? But I can't believe it. I have a big problem, Flint.
I know. You don't like cheese.
No, that's not it.
Oh, it's the color, right?
No.
The density.
What?
The weight?
It is not the weight.
The fact that it has so many different applications?
It's not the cheese. It's the sardines. They're squishy and smelly and they're gross. I need your help.
To the lab!
Flint, it's that way.
I know. Isolating flavor molecules, restructuring taste coils, extended typing for dramatic effect. Typey, 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 type, 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 type. Voila! I call it the Flint Lockwood Flavor Transmogrifier, or the Flyloflatra for short.
What does it do?
What doesn't it do? Well, a lot of things, actually. But what it does do is change the flavor of food. For instance, everyone knows that squirrels hate pickles, right?
Well, that goes without saying.
Exactly, common knowledge. So, I'll just set the Flyloflatra on the setting of delicious, crunchy nuts. And if it can fool a squirrel,
Then it can change stinky sardine cheese to taste like, say, I don't know, what could it bacon!
bacon! Of course it can! Yes! Bacon! Remind me again. What's so good about bacon?
It's official! Bacon is the most popular flavor in the world! Why, there's spray-on bacon, bacon chicks, bacon glasses, bacon braces, bacon trousers, bacon socks, and bacon brassieres. Why not? Bacon's just that good!
I don't know. Bacon it is! The plan is set. 1, spray this on the sardine cheese. 2, do your report. And 3, get your job back. I don't foresee there being any
No, I don't
issues
think
with
there's
this.
not gonna be a problem. Sam Sparks here. If you're looking for a tasty treat that's lots of fishy fun to eat, then all you got to do is say cheese. Delicious!
Woohoo! She's one of us now.
That Sparks girl is doing the homeroom report even though she's fired.
As long as I get rid of all that discount cheese before it goes rancid, I don't care. Rehire the girl. And son,
Yes, Dad?
no one likes a tattletale. Get out.
Sam, that was the best report ever!
Thanks. Yeah, I'm glad you liked it. Maybe now I can fulfill my dream of spending countless hours being an unpaid school reporter.
Awesome.
Whoa! You smell amazing! Love what you're doing to your face.
Wow.
Sam! I can't go in the girls' room. Oh. Is that scented soap?
Flint, focus. Do you notice something?
No standy toilets?
No!
My feet aren't sticking to the
Flint!
floor?
Your flow-so fling-flang thing turned me into bacon! How did this happen?
It appears that the Flyloflatra, by the way, not only transmogrifies the taste, but also the taster. Who knew? Not me, clearly. But on the upside, you look pretty cool as a bacon, so I think we can all applaud that.
I don't want to be a bacon!
So you want me to find the antidote?
Yes, yes! I want you to find the antidote!
Looking smoking, Sam. Good work, Sam. Your reports are crispy with just a sweet kiss of maple.
I used to fall asleep in homeroom, but now I can't keep my eyes off your reports. Can I lick your hair?
No!
Please? Maybe just the
Brent,
bangs.
stop it!
Sam Delicious, Sparks, to the principal's office.
Ooh.
Let's see. If a nut-flavored pickle turns a squirrel into a nut, then to do the reverse, the squirrel has to eat a pickle. Of course, a classic scientific switcheroo. Now all I've got to do is get Sam to eat a sardine. Right.
I'm here with Principal Mayor Shelbourne, who has an important message.
Message, right. Can I get you to stand on this plate of eggs, please? And could you sizzle for me?
Sizzle? Sizzle?
Bacon.
Ow! Oh, just... No, bacon! Leave me alone!
Hey, Sam.
What are you doing in here?
I have the antidote.
Oh, what to do? I mean, sure, yes, I look like fatty cured meat, but on the upside, my reports have never been more popular. Ooh. Okay, what's the antidote? Not sardines. No way. Nope. I'd rather be a bacon. Okay, change my mind. Antidote time. Oh, bleh.
So, how does it feel to be normal again?
Oh, you mean everyone back to ignoring me because I hate sardines? Well, at least no one's trying to eat me. By the way, that antidote tasted a lot like pizza.
Well, I might have used a little pizza as a buffering agent. You could tell from one taste?
Yeah, and, you know, there were a few other clues.
Right. You gonna finish that?
Ew.
Pepper. Pepperoni. Pepperoni.